Mastering Business Idioms. Unveiling Collar the Market. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of business idioms, a fascinating aspect of the English language that paints vivid pictures using words. Our focus is on the phrase, collar the market. If you're intrigued by how market dynamics are discussed in the corporate world, or if you're just passionate about enriching your English, this video is for you. Let's dissect the phrase, collar the market. When we think of the word, collar, we might picture grabbing hold of someone's shirt collar. In a business context, this phrase suggests a similar idea but in a market scenario. To collar the market means to gain substantial control over a commodity or a stock, to the point where one can dictate its price and terms of sale. It's like having the market on a leash, where your moves can significantly influence the market dynamics. The origin of collar the market dates back to times when physical markets were the centers of trade. Traders who dominated a market were said to collar it, much like one might hold a dog by its collar. In modern times, this phrase is less about physical dominance and more about strategic market control, often seen in stock markets and commodity trading. Imagine a company that has managed to buy a large proportion of the oil available in the market. They have, in essence, collared the oil market, giving them substantial power over the pricing and distribution of oil. Another example could be a tech giant that holds most of the patents for a particular technology, effectively collaring that segment of the tech market. While collar the market may sound like a position of strength, it's crucial to discuss the ethical implications. Market regulations in many countries keep a check on such dominance to ensure fair competition and to prevent monopolies. As learners of the language and potential future market players, it's vital to understand the power and responsibility that come with the ability to influence markets significantly. Understanding phrases like collar the market not only enriches your language skills but also gives you insights into the complex world of business and economics. We hope this exploration adds a new dimension to your language learning journey and helps you grasp the nuanced ways English is used in different domains. Happy learning, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.